Well. One of the most wonderful use of spin tool is to make round objects like glass or bowl. Let us see how to do that. For that, I am selecting this object and going into edit mode. We just need to do this once because we need this vertex. So what I will do, I will select this vertex and E for extrude. If you don't know E for extrude, I also made a video for that. Links must be given in the description as well. So I will tap E on the keyboard and I will extrude it up, but I don't know where it is actually extruding. It is extruding somewhere arbitrarily. So what I will do, I will go in the x-axis and I will actually first delete this vertex, select this vertices, E, and lift it up and delete all the rest of the vertices. Delete vertices and select all the vertices, delete vertices. I have got only one vertex. Now what I will do, I will move this object somewhere around here, then E for extrude, I will keep it somewhere around here, E for extrude. Now E for extrude is like too much, so there is one more shortcut for that, like control and right click, control right click, control right click, control right click, 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 and right click, and right click, and right click, and right click. So this is somewhat a weird kind of design I am going to make here. I am just selecting G to move the objects, and then after this what we can do, we can center this object at the center. Before doing that, we will go in edit mode, and in edit mode we will go to the spin tool, and then I will spin it according to this object. I will select this vertex. After selecting this vertex, shift S and this 3D cursor to selected, cursor to selected. So the cursor to selected is there, and then what I will do, I will go to edge mode, select all edges, and then what I can do, I can make a glass out of it. Isn't it great? It's awesome. Now what I must have done is give it a nice shape. If I had given it a nice shape, it would have been a nice glass. And after that, I can do one more thing. I can go here on this panel type design and go to the modifiers and select subdivision surface. It will give it a smooth shape, and to remove this boxiness, I will right click and click shade smooth. We have got our wonderful glass. The glass is very thick as well. So that is also one use of spin tool. So if you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and if you want to support me wholeheartedly, Patreon page is there. Links are in the description, and you can support me as well, or comment on the video. So until then, see it, try it, understand it. I will meet you in the next video.